this, me I don't tire. I don't tire to the weed grass, do firework business. Every day we go just the hustle waiting, we go take shop, and the money no go even do us. How long we go they work this kind? Like this, I don't finish my woman money. That girl don't to try for me. Now she they buy things give me.
If you they complain, listen. I mean, I suppose they shed tears. That Tabagi, don't they threaten me say she won't leave me for the relationship? Two poor people, they threaten themselves. And you get one man where they open, one man.
You even get person where you get hope.
Say make I come city. No, I mean I don't they wait, they pray. So that if he come now, I go city, at least I go see better life now.
You don't even get person where you get hope. My own no get hope. Like this, my family don't even forget me. Now only me and that my girl. Now they also and this cleaning of grass, firewood business. Continue.
Before that guy go come now, come shout to person here.
That's it. No cheat oh.
You're calling me cheater now.
Let's go.
When I get money back, run not today. Yeah, I don't win lotto. You be small lotto. Small lotto.
Now what did you say, mommy?
Because you know I can do anything for you. No go to Shishka ready for them.
Give me better girlfriend, give me better girlfriend, God.
I go still new this.
See your meat.
Because of Dari and Grandma. You know whether she tip her. No, take a minute.
Whether they tip her or not, they are not there.
You are not even romantic. You are supposed to give me the spoon now. Baby, you are supposed to feed me now. Give me.
I'm blue.
Come in now.
I
don't tire. When you go buy me shawarma or pizza.
You no go chop the one where you see first.
Start from here now. Don't go airport.
Hunger go beat you, go turn out to fasting. Eat this one now.
See how they do. But you know, they give you curry, feed me.
Feed yourself. You don't poor, it's just an option. Feed yourself. You are poor.
Teach this thing how to be romantic.
This guy not get joy.
You why they love like mad person? One man jealous.
Now me they worry too much. People say they we don't play dog.
Let off, idiot. Say you open my like this. Come on, correct. She be feed me.
Okay. Give me. You don't do.
Don't make the bed.
Oh yeah, take.
Come on, get down.
Take.
I don't want.
Take it, John. To get strong again. Yeah, they like tire.
I rough my man, you rough me, I rough him. You rough your own, you rough you. But even Davido say rough is sweet though. When money enter rough is sweet.
The money go come.
I read me say I want money, I want flex, I want baboon street, I want each other my
Johnny.
money. And I want enjoy my life.
Johnny!
Just
Good news! Hey! Finally!
Calm down now.
Hey!
Calm down. Talk to me now. Talk to me. Won't go talk to Johnny.
No! Johnny needs to be. Hey! My friend! It has happened! No! I'm going to the city!
No, man, you waiting.
I'm going to the city! Finally! He has called me!
That man
I told you about, he has called me!
So you are going.
I happy for you.
Our lives will be better!
So when are you coming back now? When you go plan to visit us like this now, how long you won't go stay there?
See, you don't see. You don't even know when you go come back. That's how you go and go meet all those city girls and forget about me. No problem now.
My love, no. There's no way that I will forget about you. I can't leave you.
See this, we don't leave me now.
I have to go and make money for us now.
You forget about me.
No,
sure?
my love.
You sure say you don't forget about me?
No.
You dey sure?
Yes, and our lives will be better.
If you forget about me, I'll cook or kill you.
Baby, trust me.
See
now.
man.
I will come back for you.
See man.
No worry. He's my good friend. I trust him. He will come back for you.
No.
Guy, no fuck up. Remember, say this girl suffer with you. If you go make her come back,
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too. I have to hurry.
My guy. Bros.
I have not even a big me now.
I don't get anything, I forgive you.
Now, well, you know, pig, the guy not even touch my chick.
Safe journey.
Now, well, so now the three of us go there. You two of them are going for a night deal. We are going to up Peru.
All this away, don't
Yeah.
You know, see when my Bobo cook, you know, call me, you know, if I get phone to hear from them, I just pray, say, call they protect them.
They should not collect anything less than 2.5.
Get that CV, you sure?
Babe.
No, they beat me, I'm able.
See you.
Yes. If they're not taking
Mabasi!
2.5. That's what I'm collecting. All right.
My friend is back.
Baby, you're looking very
Yeah, you're
busy.
back.
I was just talking about you today. Say, my Bobo, since we go city, no call me.
Johnny, you don't fresh, you.
You
Johnny.
Hey, my Bobo, look at you fresh, you know.
Your guy don't make a
I
move.
swear.
All right. I'm sorry. I came to collect my credentials. Okay.
I'm coming with you now.
I'm leaving for America. I don't want to miss my flight, so just okay.
Let me come with you now. What's going to happen? I don't understand.
Why your guy they behave
You
like
look
that?
there on us, I don't know.
No, they won't wait pay me. I give her hand. You know she can't they beat my shoulder like
That is
pastor.
the one. You're supposed to knock you. It's still there for this place. They suffer. I know they do anything.
Because
That is what. Poverty could kill you. My Bobo don't make up. You see, they travel go abroad. Miss him. And they follow go abroad. I'll be sitting them. I go see Beyonce, see Liana. My honey don't better. See this
Hello?
one.
I'm about to come. Yes. Okay, please. I'm coming to the airport now. Please let them get the cab ready. Yeah.
Mama, why they do like this now? You just come, you don't look my face, you don't even talk to me. What they do you now?
Guy, they live like that. I have to worry, okay?
Are you people still here?
You say make we wait for you now. Why they talk like this now?
Wait for me.
I've been waiting for you. All they so to welcome. I don't pursue them.
You mean you don't have a guy in your life till now? Come on, you're older than this now. Why will you wait for me?
Wait, are you talking to me? Are you referring that one to me? When you won't come up for this place, say make I wait for you. Say you go come back. I even swear for you. Say you go give you go forget me. Then you come back on the talk now.
I was just a young boy then now. I was naive now.
What's in the hip? What's in hip come do for this thing?
I can't.
Your name Nadam. What's in hip come do for this talk? What they talk so? No, like
I'm
this.
sorry, guys. See, the thing is that I can't even roll with you people again. Like you're an illiterate. Like my status now, I cannot be seen with you.
Beg now, no do like this. I beg now. I just could beg you. You know, no disgrace me.
See, I have to go, right? I have
You
to
can't
go.
do this, please now.
See, I can't do anything. See, I can't do anything with people.
I
Like,
beg you.
I have to go. I have to go. You shouldn't see me with people, okay?
So you see me, I don't represent people. Say I be illiterate. The time where they sleep with me, don't know say I be illiterate. The time where they suck on my breast, you don't know say I be illiterate. No, I don't say I be. Let me alone. All of it, that's how you save code.
you don't go there like that though.
All the things I don't do for this one. Everything I say, what thing I don't sell, I don't even sell almost my part. Make sure say everything be okay. Then you don't go abroad, go make I say, you know, they want me again. I go taxi, you know who I be. 10-year relationship, you know who I be. You know my head. You don't go better for that boy. You know, see, your mama fi come do you this kind thing.
You talk that kind of thing.
Feel you forget no be so. I for even swear for it my life, swear for that boy. You know what? Leave me away. What is my life? How many years of relationship? Look at I don't waste my life.
You go see better man.
Better man for where I don't cry how many years. You know what I mean?
Wait. You say my Bobo fit.
If you now, what's no man? Man, wicked is what is full of wicked people. Oh God. I have made my room. This boy don't scam me. I should say Naja with the room. I suppose report them, give EFCC. I go report them. You know my time for this one.
They come and beg.
Where they go? You know they console me again. Oh God, I'm heartbroken. You know better for you. Who go kill you?
My love. Baby, how are you?
Baby, good morning.
You're sweeping already.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Where are you ready to?
I'm going for an interview. I
Interview?
have an interview this morning.
Interview?
Yes.
See, baby, there's no need of you going for interview. I'm just okay the way you are, eh? I like the way you are. You know there is peace and I like it this way. Please.
Baby, stop saying this now. Why do you keep saying that there's no need for me to try? Let me try. At least one day I'll have my own too. Are you happy that we are poor?
No, I'm not happy, but we are okay. Like I'm just okay the way we are now. I don't want you to stress yourself. Don't worry. Don't go, please. Eh? I'm happy the way it is.
Please, no, I need to go.
God, why? When will you get a job now?
Yes! Oh my lord, yes! Young man, please, come.
Ah, my lord.
Yes, young man, please come. Come. Yes. Your woman is behind all this thing that's happening to you.
No, man of God.
Oh my lord.
Man of God. If it's about my woman, please don't. She loves me.
Let me tell you one thing.
No, she loves me so much. She sacrificed. She's the reason why I'm alive.
Yes.
Please don't say anything evil against my wife.
Rakabasendaya rebo lokosonto aseloti di dejogba. Lord, yes! Young man, meet with your wife or your woman that loves you. Beg her, talk to her, pray very well. Let her tell you what she has done concerning your future. You will never make it until this woman confess what she has done to your life. Father, Lord, deliver this man. Oh my Lord.
Thank you, sir.
Oh my God.
Thank you.
Rakaba Sendaya. You will be delivered in Jesus' name. Oh Sindare Kabo say.
You are back. I told you to rest. I told you not to go. Eh?
You know the most annoying thing?
What
We're
is it?
over 50 something. They pick everybody except.
I told you now. I told you. You're just troubling yourself, disturbing
Tired
yourself.
now.
okay
What did I really do? What is it that all my mates are living fine? What do you need a problem?
But I'm not complaining.
You don't complain, but I'm complaining.
See, it's okay, it's okay. But I'm just okay the way we are. I don't want you to bother yourself. You know I love you, please.
It's okay.
Eh?
You have Gary with me.
Yes, let me get you something to eat.
Come to think of it, is it possible that my woman is the reason I'm suffering? How could she? I don't believe it. But let me ask her.
Baby, come. Come face. Come. Keep the Gary. Come. Sit down. I know you love me so much. You've never told me any lie before. Please, I beg you. I beg. Can you just that someone told me something, one man of God. Is there anything that you've done? And just, I'm begging you, I'm on my knee, please. I'm begging you, if you have done anything. I doubted it, yes, I didn't believe what he said. But I just have to ask you, please. Did you do anything? Did you? You keep silent.
I'm sorry.
You're sorry for what?
Please.
What did you
You
do?
know I love you and I never wanted to lose you, please. I'm very sorry, please.
What did
please.
you do?
I'm sorry, please. I greetings, hi son of God.
Hey, my daughter. Greetings to you. How may I help you? Tell the ghost.
Hi son of God.
Wait. I can see. I see. Tell me, what can I do for you?
Hi son of God. There's very vital thing I want you to do for me.
Hey,
There's a man been in love for more than 8 years now.
Oh, my daughter has seen it all. He doesn't have anything.
He doesn't have for.
He's broke.
He's very poor, not even being broke. Very poor.
And you are staying in Bako house. Oh,
Baba, you're seeing it.
What do you want me to do for you?
Baba, I want him to remain poor.
Hey, why do you want me to make him poor?
Baba, my fellow friend, that we were all staying in that compound. His friend too. He traveled out, coming back with a huge sum of money, and he was very rich. All he has to do, he dumped the girlfriend that they have been dating for 8 years. And I don't want this to happen to me and my love. Please, Baba, I want him more poorer. Anything that will bring good things to him, cancel it. I just don't want it to work. Oh, I like it poor like that. I want him more poorer so we can be forever, Baba.
You see this mirror that I just speak? Anywhere that your husband or your boyfriend and whatever you call him, anywhere you go, I will be viewing him. I will see him from here. And I will stop everything that he's going to do. If he want to progress, I will stop him. If he want to get money, I will stop him. Want to buy motor, I will stop him. Even if he want to do kuni, I will stop him too.
Thank you, Baba.
And you people who are poor.
Thank you, Baba. Thank you.
My daughter,
Thank you.
You can go.
Thank you, Baba. Thank you.
Yeah.
You mean you did this to me?
Please, I'm sorry.
Baby, how could you? How could you?
Please.
I love you with all my heart. I love you.
I'm sorry, I never wanted to lose you.
Look at your friend.
I never wanted to lose you. I'm so sorry. Please, let me beg you, please.
Tell your friend what
What thing happened now?
Tell your friend now.
I never see him vex like this. So what thing you do?
Tell your friend.
You don't give him napkin. Why they do like this now? You don't give him napkin. Now oh yeah, man, stand here. What thing happened?
She went to Baba.
Baba.
She went to Baba.
Baba Tunde.
No, Baba Juju.
Baba Tunde.
She did Juju on me. Baba, so that good thing will not come my way.
Mabasi.
She cast a very big spell on me. Bad luck.
No,
Nothing good come. Nothing good come my way. No wonder you kept saying I shouldn't go for an interview. I should be here. Nothing. So we're all the reason. We're behind all this stuff.
So why
you were the reason.
Now?
You know I love you, man. I never want.
Spin me the love.
I never wanted what happened to you happened to me. That's why I did it.
Okay, but no one waiting my mama room. Waiting good for una be that. Somebody where I give my life, give my rough, give my best, everything around me I give him. You come do. Why can't they come now? Abeg, you see this?
Go your way. Come, let's go and see that Baba. We are going to that Baba right now. Where are we even going?
Baby, this is the place.
This is the place.
Yes.
There's nobody here now.
I can't forget it now. This is where I met the man now. This is the shrine.
And where is the man?
Baby, please, you just have to take it easy. Eh? Please, you just have to take it easy. I met him here. Please.
Why could you even? Why do you have to come to this place?
Because I never wanted to lose you. Yes.
Why for leave you go? I love you.
I never wanted to lose you. I'm
what
sorry.
Do we do now? What do we do?
We will see him.
See who?
We will see him. Look at this one. Hello, sister. Good day, sister. Please. We are looking for this.
Not we are. You are looking.
Okay, I'm looking for Baba.
You mean that short man?
Yes.
That wicked evil man. Oh, so you're one of his customers.
She is.
Oh, you. Baba don't run mad. You don't run mad. You don't mad. You know. We don't even know where the man there. Only God knows where he is now. Sorry. Take us here. Go to
Please.
Please. Now what do you want me to do?
I never meant it. Please.
Okay. You never. The man is mad now. There's no way to be found. And I'm still under his spells and charms. That means I will not see good things in my life. What do you want me to do?
There is nothing we can do.
Eh?
We love this love in poverty. That ghosted. Sorry.
Should I leave her or die in poverty with her?